The pileated woodpecker, the largest of the woodpeckers in the northeastern woodlands, comes to the feeder in the late winter, early spring. Even though he's the biggest woodpecker, he can be easily intimidated by one of the smallest woodpeckers, the Downy, as you will see.
What's that? What's that? Huh? Wait. No. Are you kidding me?
Hey! Excuse me! I did not give you permission. Mine. Nom 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 nom. All mine, 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 mine. All mine. Mine, mine, mine. No one else is allowed to eat here, except for me.
Gary! 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 Hey, anybody see Gary Grackle? Gary! 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 Are you Gary? Gary, are you Gary? No. Are you Gary? Finally, I get to eat something. I get to eat something.
Honey! My house
Yeah, okay.
is
Okay. Okay.
pick up milk,
Okay.
eggs. I think you need to stop at the gas station for some.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Bring some over
Okay,
here.
Darla. Okay. Jeez. I gotta get something to eat.
Don't forget the milk.
Okay. Okay. She done? Can I get something to eat? Okay. God, okay. I'm gonna get something to eat.
Hey fellas, hey Barry, hey, have you seen Gary? Have you seen Gary? I'm looking for Gary. No, I haven't seen him. Gary! This seed stuff is crap, but I can't get near the suet because of Darla.
Here we have two male cardinals trying to get the attention of this female cardinal. And honestly, I don't think she wanted to have anything to do with either of them. Hey, honey, want a date?
I don't think so. Hey, Gary. How come you're always down here getting sunflower seeds?
Well, I've got 12 mouths to feed at home, and they're always hungry. So my wife is always sending me out here.
12 mouths to feed? My God, I thought 10 was bad. Well, good luck with that.